Men like, well, you know men will light their own farts. Did you know this? Oh, come on. There's not a guy in here that had a blue flame shooting out of his butt one time or another. And happy about it, too, you know? Oh, yeah. How bored you got to be to light your own fart, I don't know. Women don't do that. If a woman saw another woman's butt in the air and a flame coming out of there, hey, 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 hey. Stop that. But not a man, boy, you see another man's butt in the air and a flame coming out? Oh, yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. I like that. And you know, men will... Why do we burp? What does burping have to do with being a guy? You know, honey, that was some good eating there. Thanks, let me wipe the shit out of my eye. That was nice. We've all had that weird burp, right? You burp too fast or something? That one of them burps? Vomit burps, you ever had one of these things? You know what I mean. You're talking a little too quick after dinner or something. But that was a real... Uh-oh. And you gotta re-eat it, too. You gotta... And the guy in front of you is going, what the hell was that? I think you killed my dog here, boy. Why don't you eat some fruit or something? Horrible thing you just did there. Men are horrible. We like doing horrible things, innocent things. I did a short for the movie channel 2 years ago. I'm gonna do a new one. I'm gonna cook that damn doughboy. A little flower guy. Do 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 do. Little poppin' fresh. I'm gonna pop his fat ass in the oven, I'll tell you that. He's in there beating on that little window. It's getting awful goddamn hot in here! Yeah, I bet it is. He starts swelling up. Big and brown comes out the Pillsbury Soul Boy. How the hell are you? I'm gonna mess you up, Pecker. We're burn my black ass. Goddamn, kick your ass. Some people are just weird. They're not honest with you. You go to the dentist, get your teeth clean. What do you do right before you go? You brush the shit out of your teeth. Trying to make up for 8-9 years of bad hygiene. You don't fix your car and take it down to the dealer. No way. Give the dentist something to do. Stay out late, gargle with buttermilk. Big Bermuda onion. Couple Oreos for color. Have a bag of Cheetos and hit the sack. Morning, Doc. Ah! These birds coming out. Ah! Yeah, floss that, you black bastard, huh? It's great to be back in the Motor City. You guys are great. Thanks for